Hey guys, welcome to Bits and Bytes. Today we'll see some very common useful Linux comments. So first with man. Man is short form of manual. So to check documentation of any existing commands, you can use the man command. So let's say if I want to check the manual of ls command, I need to use man ls. So it will show me all these descriptions, all the options I can use with ls, all the parameters I can pass with the different options, and who is the author. Everything I can access with this man command. This is basically the built-in manual for the ls command. So to access this, to scroll up and scroll down in Manjaro, you can use your mouse wheel up and down. Also, you can do that with upper arrow and down arrow keys, and page up and page down keys. And to exit from this manual, you need to use the button Q. It is mentioned over here that Q to quit. And if you need any help, you can always use H. So let us exit from this manual. The next command we will see the history command. History command gives us the commands we have already executed previously in ordered by last execution time. So if we enter history, it will show us all these commands we have executed in last few sessions. So if you can check the manual of history for details also. Here is all these manuals, and you can clear the history if you want to clear your previously entered commands. You can keep it, up until what number of count you want to keep. You can do these things with history, but most commonly history is used to check the comments, previous comments. The next comment we will see the clear command. So let's say we are working on the terminal and we have quite few outputs on the terminal, and the terminal is full, and we need to clear the terminal so that we can see all this output clearly. All the output with in a fresh terminal. So to achieve that, we can run clear. So clear will erase all the outputs from the terminal, and it will return to the default prompt. So let us invoke the clear, and you see that the terminal is erased. Similarly, if we want to erase this one, we can do that with clear. Now let us see the command echo. Echo is basically a equivalent command of print function or printf function of popular programming languages. So it basically prints the argument to the standard output. So let's say you send an argument like hello. So echo will print this hello word in the standard output, and you can send multiple arguments like echo hello world. It will print a hello word in standard output. Now let's say you want to print something like echo hello, and you want to give space, long space, and you want to print world. but that doesn't work that way. I mean, echo will treat this is an argument and this is a separate argument, and it will print it with a single white space. Now if you want to keep the format as it is, then you have to put it in a quotation. So in above example, if we give it a quotation, then it will show in that way. I mean, when we give this quotation, echo will get the entire string as a single argument and it will print that. Also, let's say if you want to put your output, you want to put the output in a multiple line. For example, you want this hello in a first line and world in second line. So you cannot do that either with normally. I mean, if you want, if you give this hello in first line and if you enter and go to second line to write this world, it won't work. So for that also you need to put it in quotation, and in second line you need to put world and end quote, then enter. It will give you the desired result. Now this quotation you can use double quote also. So this will also work. Now this echo command is very popularly used for scripting. If you want to put something on the log, echo is very widely used. Also to check values of variables, echo is very commonly used. The next command is pwd. So pwd is basically present working directory. So it it shows the absolute path of the directory where we are currently. Let's say I am changing to desktop, so the pwd will change to home bits bytes desktop. Or let's say I'm changing to another directory, then the pwd will change to that directory. So wherever we'll go, the pwd will hold that present working directory on this particular output. I mean, when you will give this pwd, it will show this output. The another way to achieve this is checking the pwd environment variable value. So with the echo command, so let's say echo dollar is used to check the value of a variable, and capital pwd is the environment variable of the pwd. So with this you also get the same result, same as pwd. But yeah, pwd is very convenient to access rather than this echo $pwd. The next command is cd. Cd command is used to change directory. For example, if I have multiple directories in my current location and I want to switch to one of those directories, then cd can be used. Cd means change directory. So I have a directory called abc and I want to enter on the directory. To do that, I need to put cd abc and it will take me to abc directory. Now cd can have other arguments also. The abc is name of a directory, but we can simply put cd without any argument, and that will take us to the home directory of our to our /home/bitbytes. So you see this current directory is changed to home bits bytes, and if we use cd with a dash, then it will take us to the last working directory. So in that case we will return to this desktop abc directory. You see, we return to this home bits bytes desktop and abc directory. Also, there is a argument we can use is cd dot dot. Dot dot means this parent directory. So for this abc, we are inside this abc directory, and the parent directory is desktop. So if we want to go to desktop, we can use cd dot dot. So you see, we change to desktop with this cd dot dot you know command. Similarly, we can use this dot dot to go further up. Let's say I am inside this abc directory and I want to go to bits and bytes, sorry, bits bytes. So to do that, I can use cd dot dot and then again slash, again dot dot, and it will first take me to desktop and then it will take me to bits bytes. So the more I append the dot dot with a slash, the and more I'll go up in the directory structure. So you see, I changed to home bits bytes with this cd dot dot command. So these are the few most commonly used Linux commands. To keep the video short, I will post other commands in upcoming videos. Uh, most of those will be very commonly used Linux commands, so stay tuned for those videos. Please let me know if you have any queries in the comment section, and please subscribe to get the update on the next videos for the next set of Linux commands. Thank you guys. Bye bye.